And back we are in the hospitality POS. Let's open a table. And now we're going to sell the broccoli chicken. And remember this. Have you seen it before? We saw it similar with the club sandwich. So now we are having the item modifiers for this item. So we have few options. And you see they're all at no charge. Let's take French fries and OK. So broccoli chicken, what kind of an item is it? Shall we spy a little bit? Right click, button properties. And it's a number starting with R. R means that's a recipe in our demo data company. So let's look at that. What we're going to do now, we're going to jump into back office. If you don't have back office open, then open it. We're going to open something that is called recipes. Recipe list. And here we have the recipes. And here we have the broccoli chicken, R006. Let's open it. I know you haven't seen it before, but let's spy it now. And you see this is a recipe. And it's got similar division, category, product group as the other items. And here are all the items that build up this recipe. And you see some of these things are not allowed in exclusion. Some of them have empty, so they're allowed. Let's keep this picture in mind and jump back into the POS. Now we have the broccoli chicken active. You need to do that. And what we're going to do now, we're going to use this button, exclude ingredients. And what happens? Now you see all the items you saw on the recipe list, right? Smart? Oh yes. And some of them are marked as no exclusion. If you don't want the onion, you can mark it and OK. And then you get the onion in red color and it's been excluded. But we are thinking about the item modifier. So let's go back to back office. We have it open to the recipe of the broccoli chicken. And now you see we have here option modifiers. If you select it, you have something called item modifiers. Open it. So you have the pot and rice. Let's go to assist button, related, info code, other, and the card, because we are going to spy what is behind this pot and rice. Here you see it, pot and rice. And here you see all our variations, right? So we have already prepared something called pot and rice with these options. Same options as we saw, right? Yes. And you have here no charge and price. So let's say the French fries are going to be at some price. So change no charge to always charge and put here 1. And it's price 1. So it's the amount is used. Let's go back and let's go back to the recipe card. Now we jump into the POS again. Let's sell the broccoli chicken again. And what happened here? If you select the French fries, OK, you see that we have additional amount. Item modifiers is very good for two purposes. When you have the same, in a way, the same main course, that when you offer different modifiers with it. Different potatoes, different rice, and different things. And as well with item modifiers, you can do this additional charge. This is very smart. It's useful in many situations. This is what we use with item modifiers.